As I arrived in Metz, its beautiful train station built between 1905 to 1908 with its unique display of art welcomes me with awe. It is no doubt that this city will turn out to be beautiful and a hidden gem worthy of discovery. This city of France is only about an hour from France's westernmost border with Germany, specifically Saarbrücken. Metz is a city that has been established for thousands of years. Today, it is a city of amazing architecture from various periods. It is a stunningly beautiful churches and a beautiful medieval city. So if you are in Germany or in France and are not sure if Metz should be included in your itinerary, keep watching because in this video I have put together some of the interesting things to see in Metz. The city is easy to explore on foot. From the central train station, it will take you around 15 minutes to reach the beautiful city center. As you start strolling, the city welcomes you with its gigantic buildings unique in its own design and colors. As you look at every corner of the street, there is something that will captivate your attention. It is never boring strolling through the streets of Metz. Aside from its beautiful architectural history, there are green spaces and huge parks not far from the shopping zone. Visitors can have access to many benches to sit and relax. Since it is situated at the beautiful confluence between the Moselle and Seille rivers, river walks is one of the famous activity within the city. There is a unique picturesque riverside setting, especially at the Temple Nauf, is one of the most recognizable landmarks in Metz. Surrounded by the Garden of Love and Moselle River, the Temple of Nauf is a perfect place for a romantic walk. The pretty bridges also lend a special charm to the city. You can enjoy watching the kayaking activity along the attractive view of the river between the tall buildings. You can also spend some time at one of the benches along the river as you admire the large trees reflected in the still water, or just silently watch the passers-by on the bridge. It is no doubt that the city is named the City of Art and History. In terms of shopping, your city center shopping experience thrives on the diverse range of shops and restaurants, the inviting atmosphere of the streets and squares, and the ambience of the old town. In addition, there is a Tyson village in Metz that does not only serves as a tourist attraction but also has a deep connection to its legendary past. It is a lively pedestrian street lined with Renaissance, Baroque, and neoclassical houses. A depiction of dragon or growly can be seen along the street, underscoring the connection to the legend. The city also welcomes visitors with its landmark structure, the soaring medieval Cathedral of Saint Stephen of Metz. This Catholic church is one of the most famous buildings in Metz. It was built between 1220 and 1520 and is considered one of the most beautiful and largest Gothic church buildings in France. It boasts one of the highest naves and the longest expanse of stained glass windows in Europe. Nicknamed God's Lantern, Saint Stephen Cathedral has the largest expanse of stained glass windows in the world. The windows are the works from master Gothic and Renaissance glass makers of the 13th to the 20th centuries. The cathedral's main organ was built in 1970. You can spend your final day in Metz walking through the cobblestone streets of the cathedral district. The city's blended beautiful selection of medieval buildings and some gorgeous architecture makes walking down the streets of Metz a visual delight. Metz is definitely worth a visit. The place brings tradition and modernity, creating rich history. Indeed, there is really something for everyone here. In whatever season your visit might fall, the place will surely give you an unforgettable memories. I hope that this travel video will help you plan your trip optimally and appreciate the beautiful city of Metz even more. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!